Okay guys, let's try this one, example 2. Remember, I haven't even looked at that yet. I'm just going to rewrite the equations. 2x plus 2y is equal to 3, and then x minus 4y is equal to negative 1. Guys, I got to tell you already, I'm looking for numbers that have no coefficient in front of them. The coefficient of this one is 2. The coefficient of this one is 2. The coefficient of this one is 1. It's not there. And the coefficient of this one is negative 4. So you see, the ones that have anything other than 1, I'd have to divide the entire side, both sides, by that number to get the variable by itself. So clearly the one that I want to get by itself is going to be this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 4y to both sides, right? And I'm going to get x is equal to 4y minus 1. Okay, now that is what x equals, 4y minus 1. So when I rewrite my other equation, I'm going to do 2, but not times x, but times what x equals. X equals 4y minus 1 plus 2y equals 3. Okay, now it's 2 times that, so 2 times 4y gives me 8y. 2 times negative 1 gives me negative 2, plus 2y equals 3. Let's simplify. 8y and 2y is 10y minus 2 equals 3. Then I'm going to add 2 to both sides. Look at that. And I'm going to get 10y is equal to 5. And I'm going to divide by 10. And so y equals 1/2. Now guys, just think about this for a minute. What if we were trying to graph that and find out what the y of that point was? It's not a whole number. It's not an integer. It's a 1/2. Okay, this is so much easier. So now x is equal to 4, not times y, but times what y equals, 1/2 minus 1. So then x is equal to 2 minus 1. X equals 1. So I write it as a coordinate because it's a point, 1, 1/2. Not as coordinates, but as an ordered pair. And that's my answer. X is 1, y is 1/2. And that's where those two lines hit. Great job, guys.